Pink app is the best app. Pink app is free. Pink app is a lifesaver. Pink app, pink app, pink app, pink app. Okay, let's finally get to talk about this pink app, okay? Yes, pink app is actually a live streaming app where you can make money for absolutely free. Absolutely free. You're going to be making money on the pink app. Now, I know lots of persons that make lots of money on the pink app, and I'm going to explain how the pink app works and how you can actually start making money on the pink app. If you didn't know, pink app is also known as Poppo Live. So whenever you hear Poppo Live, just know that they're talking about pink app as well. And there are several ways you can actually make money on the pink app. You can make money by going live, by joining a party, by gambling, by playing games, through PK, through fan club, through agency. You can even make money, most importantly, through referrals, and several other ways you can actually make money on the pink app. And yes, you can withdraw your earnings to your local bank account, or rather you can even withdraw using dollars. Okay, now without wasting any time, let me show you how to first register an account on the pink app. Okay, now there is a link in the description below. Now once you click on that link or any other link that you have been given, you are going to be brought to this page. So you're going to click on download immediately. Then you're going to be taken to either your Play Store or your App Store, where you click on install to install the Poppo Live app. Like I said, Poppo Live is also known as the pink app. So after downloading the app, I'm going to click on open. So as you can see here, this is what the pink app looks like. So I'm going to click on login with Google. Right now, I'm going to accept their terms and condition. Then I'm going to click on agree and share. Now once I do that, as you can see, it's loading. So I'm going to complete my personal data, and this is my name. So I'm going to select my date of birth, which I'm going to fill in here. So I'm just going to leave this like this. Okay, now I'm going to select my country. Okay, I'm going to select Nigeria, of course. So I'm going to type in Nigeria right here. Then I'm going to select that I'm a female. Okay, I'm going to select that I'm a female. Go down. I'm going to select that I'm a female. As you can see, your gender cannot be changed after, and gender and country cannot be changed after confirming. Then I'm going to click on submit. Okay, they asked me to put a picture of mine. Let me just select any picture of mine. Then I'll come back to this video. So having done that, I'm going to click on submit, and as you can see, we have created a new account on pink app. Okay, and as you can see here, earn daily income $10, end point now. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to just cancel this. Okay, now requesting location access, you can find streamers near you. As for me, I'm just going to click on cancel. Then I'm going to tap on this. Now as you can see, this is my profile on the pink app. Okay, this is not my main account. I actually have a main account on this phone which I'm using to record. So this is a new account on pink app. Now the first thing you are expected to do immediately after creating your account is to click on this authenticator right here. Once you click on it, do well to do your face authenticator. I cannot do it because I already have an account. So you're going to click on go right there. Now once you click on go, you're going to upload a photo of yourself. Just follow the instruction here. You just authenticate yourself. Within 30 minutes or so, your review will be over, and then you would have passed your KYC. Then don't forget to also bind your phone number. Okay, it's important that you also do that. So to know your daily tax on the pink app, you're simply going to click on this reward right here. Now once you tap on reward, you are going to see all the tax you're supposed to carry out every single day. Okay, hold on, it's still loading. Okay, as you can see, that's the tax center. Now can you see, now as a newbie on pink app, just by going live, you are going to earn $1. Yes, just by going live every, like for a few days, you are going to be getting $1. Now this is what I mean. Remember that $1 on the pink app is equals to 10,000 points. Okay, 10,000 points, not coins. Point makes $1, and the minimum you can actually withdraw on the pink app is 100,000 points, which is $10. Okay, $10. So if you look at this daily live duration for 60 minutes, if you spend 1 hour going live, you're going to get 5,000 points, which is $0.5. Now for going live for 120 minutes, you're going to get $1 whole. Just for going live for 2 hours, you're going to get $1. Okay, now you have other things that you can use to make money also, like this PK mission. You can actually do this and make money as well. As you can see, 3 random PK wins, you get 2,000 points. Okay, so as you can see here, you can actually join a party for 1 hour and you're going to get 800 points. Then you can join a party for 2 hours and get another 800 points. Now you can invite a person and earn up to $14. So this is your tax. Okay, this is your daily tax, and you can even upgrade to a VIP, upgrade to become a VIP, and you get up to 35,000 points. So you see that there are several ways you can actually make money on the pink app. Now after your authentication, okay, do well to join an agency. Now you can join an agency by clicking on this my agency right here. Now if you want to join our own agency, I'm going to leave the number on the screen. Her name is Mrs. Funke. She's the owner of that agency that I'm also in. So her name is Mrs. Funke. Just do well to message me after you use our own agency ID, okay, our own agent ID. Then I'm going to refer you to the lady because she's going to teach you a lot of things about the pink app. She's my big boss, so she knows so much about the pink app. So she's going to teach you every necessary thing you're supposed to know about the pink app. And when you join our agency, we will give you the opportunity to also join our party and sit on the crown seat, because that's the next step I wanted to show you guys on how to make money, okay? So guys, I had to switch to my main account because without doing my authenticator in that new account, I will not be able to show you guys how to go live. So to go live, click on reward. When you click on reward, let's hold on for a while it's loading. Okay, so you see that you come to this reward page and click on go. Okay, tap on go. And tap on go, you are going to be brought to this page. So you are first going to select any of these things above. Are you seeing this chatting, singing, dancing? As for me, I always click on make friends. Okay, then you'll be asked to agree to their terms and condition. Can you see it below here? Below here, this blue tick, agree to their terms and condition. Then you click on go live. Because I'm making a video, I will not be able to go live because it will mute this audio. Okay, so when you click on go live, when you are live, okay, when you are live, let me cancel this live. When you are live, you don't have to be talking or anything. Just make sure that your face is showing there. Okay, just make sure that your face is showing on that camera, because if they detect that your face is not there, you might lose those newcomers benefits. Okay, they might reduce your coins to this 1,000 coins, because as a newbie you're supposed to be earning 5,000 coins per hour. Now note something about going live. As you can see here, daily live duration is 60 minutes. Then another daily life, like you need to go live for 2 hours. As a newbie, you need to go live for 2 hours. Now that first hour is 1 hour. The other one, you're going to see something like 2 hours there. It does not mean that you should go for 2 hours again. No, that 1 hour that you went for the first time actually counts. Okay, it actually counts. So it counts in that 2 hours. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So if you are seeing two live, like first live for 1 hour you get 5,000 points, second live 1 hour 2 hours you get 5,000 points, it means you should go live again for another 1 hour, then you get that extra 5,000 points. I don't know if you get my point now. There's another way you can actually click on go live. Just come to this live you are seeing below here. As you can see, there are a lot of people go live here right now, but I'm not going to click on anyone so that they will not mute my mic. So to go live, tap on this live right here. As you can see, it's loading. So there are two ways you can actually go live. Is that you come to this page right now and tap on this live that I tapped on, or rather you click on that profile. The first way I showed you how to go live. Okay, so those are the two ways you can actually go live. And like I said, you can go, when you go live as a newbie, you don't, people will be coming into your life. You don't even have to say anything. You can just even mute your mic. Don't worry, I'll put a picture on the screen so that I'll show you guys how to mute a mic. You don't have to be saying anything. Just make sure that you are there for the 2 hours and then you go and receive your reward. Now after your live, come back to this reward page. Okay, let me tap on reward. Hold on, it's loading again. Then you're going to see receive on your daily live duration. You're going to see where you can receive your 5,000 coins twice. Okay, and note that you don't have to stay there for the whole 1 hour. If you are tired, you can actually leave the live and come back and complete it. Do you get? You don't have to just sit down there for 1 hour. If you are tired, let's say you sat down for 30 minutes and you are tired, you can leave and come back to it later. Okay, now note something very, very important. If you look at, you see this 22 hours 57 minutes, this means that the refresh time on Poppo is actually 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. is the refresh time on Poppo. Okay, and note that you can actually go live again in the night. Don't make sure that your face is visible. Okay, don't make sure that people can see your face, like they can detect your face. You can go live even at the middle of the night. Just make sure that you have enough light to show your face. So that is simply how to go live on Poppo. I hope you understand this, and if you have any question again, you can drop it in the comment section. Now let me show you guys how to actually join a party. Now can you see this second icon right here? After this live icon, this particular one, so this is where you find party. Okay, now to actually hold your own party, you can click on party right there. Let me click on it. Hold on, it's loading again. So when you get to this page, you're going to first of all switch over from video to voice, unless you want to use video for your party, but switch over to voice. Okay, then you're going to select how you want it to be. Is it 4, is it 6, and is it 9? Okay, then you click on hold a party. Now I'm going to leave here right now because as you can see, they're restricting me. So let me show you guys what a party looks like. Let's tap on this coin seller party, okay, so that we can see his own party. As you can see, there's this thing called golden chair. Remember, in your tax center, you you're supposed to sit on the golden seat for a given period of time. Okay, now somebody has actually sat down there. Did you see it? That's the golden chair. Now let's go back to that reward page so that you understand what I'm saying better. Tap on reward. Let's hold on for it to load. So you're going to click on party, and as you can see, you can either go from here, or rather you go and click on that party page I told you. Then you can join the party for 1 hour and sit in the crown seat. Just sit in the crown seat for 1 hour. Now when you go to people's party, remember I said if you join our own agency, when we open a party, I'm going to definitely tell you so that you can come. I will inform you guys so that you can come and join our own party and sit on the crown seat so that you can receive your rewards. Okay, now while you are on the golden seat, you can actually gamble. Yes, you can gamble your way and make money. Probably I'm going to make a separate video on how to gamble, on how to play games and make money on the Pink app and the several ways. But for today, let's just talk about how to go live and how to join a party. Okay, now you can decide to join any party. Now when you join a particular party like this one, and you notice that their golden chair is actually empty. Now what I expect you to do is that you are going to first of all type for them. You are going to tell them, good evening, please can I sit on the golden chair? Do you understand? Then you'll be able to see, let me leave this party, please, let me leave this party. Then you'll be able to sit on their golden seat. Okay, just click on it. When you tap on it, they will accept you to sit on their golden chair. Okay, but not everybody will be willing to accept just anybody. Okay, so this is simply how to go live and how to party. So this is where we're going to end the video for today. Now in our next video, I'm going to show you guys how to play games, how to gamble, and how to even get free coins. Now to get free coins, don't forget you can also get free coins from people's can you see it? Get free coins. So you can get free coins by waiting for this thing to count down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now you're going to see a box up here. Can you see a box? Now once this thing count down from this 4 is usually 5 minutes. Once it count down, you can tap on it to get the free coins. Okay, and whenever there is fireworks, you can also go there and collect free coins as well. Don't worry, in my next video I'm going to put you guys, and if you have any question again, you can please let me know in the comment section and I'll be willing to reply you guys. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, because that was actually the goal. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, be cool, subscribe to our channel, like this video for me, and drop any comments. And if you have any question at all, do well to drop it in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching, and remember, I am not a financial advisor. This video is strictly for educational purpose only and my own perspective on how to make money online. Now do well to do your own research so that you know more about the platform. Okay, thank you once again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.